Man, this hustler said back again, you heard me? Fucking flow called start from scratch, you heard me? And if I could start from scratch, you heard me? I wouldn't be none of this shit. I'm out here getting money, still stunting, you heard me? Still getting money though. Tear that on the neck. Shit. And I'ma kill this shit again, you heard me? Once again for y'all, boys. Alright? Alright? Shit. If I could change my life, I couldn't go back. Cause when Katrina hit, that couldn't change shit. And bitch, I'm in this shit. I start from scratch. I got a motherfucking tear right up on my neck. I just got another one that's right up on the wrist. I got to go and get some old man. Fuck this shit. These tests up on my shit, I'm getting inked up in this bitch. These niggas, y'all be hating. Y'all can't get with all this shit. Well, why y'all niggas hating? You niggas tripping. You niggas slipping. I hit you with that 40, now you limping. Shit. And now I want you boys. Now you niggas flailing on me. You niggas said, wagon said, fucking phony. If I could go back in the hands of time, I tell the TVs to fucking drop it at a dime. I got so much money left on my mind. These people don't want something, fuck, I gotta get my time. I just put another one out for y'all. And y'all nigga tripping, niggas acting on my balls. Shit, nigga, no homo, y'all fucking broads. Shit ain't fucking y'all niggas acting like a fraud. And man, shit, I ain't never changed back. I never look down. I never look up at a nigga smiling with a frown with my face looking down. Haters on my shit and haters all fucking around. Shit, and y'all niggas, y'all be clowning. Niggas always on this bitch like I'm frowning. Fuck it, I ain't even need this flow. I ain't wanna do it, shit, you made me do it, so I'ma kill it, bitch, let's get right to it. I'm fucking I'm back, I'm back on this freestyle and shit. Shit, I got another shout out. Shit to my brother. I'm about to kill this shit. This shit is done with. Hustler. New Orleans. Said out.